yung video dito sa saya.
Nandito ang dalawa sa pinakasikat na international act. Second-hand serving and serving.
Buong asot ko pumila. Ito na pa. Okay. Sa lahat ng ano ba? Super hot. So my next is started with all your best super chat.
I love my face. And of course, congratulations, Nikki, ang ating graduate. Proud of you, girl.
High school ko na.
Ano ba yan? Siyempre, si graduate. Congratulations po. Thank you so much. Kasi sumegway ka. Congratulations. Punta dito sa asa. Okay. And of course, I would like to thank parents, my school at Ateneo University, and most especially the English department for seeing me through. Thank you very much. And of course, my parents. And you guys, the useless. Thank you.
Congratulations, Nicole. We are very proud of you. At syempre, proud din kami dahil ang asong unahin ang dito pupunta ang lahat ng napakalaking international artists. For example, we had Apple Diaz.
Yes.
Tony Hadley. We had Florida, Boys Avenue, Cliff Vice, at sobrang Billy Crawford.
Oh!
International superstar. At napakarami pa.
Yes, and later today, we will be having...
Oh no, we...
Later, we'll be having the acoustic rock artist, second-hand serenade, along with... I heard his voice kanina. Great David! And we have an unbelievable performance from Pugoy, Eric, and Eric!
Talagang dito sa Pilipinas ang mga international acts. Asap ko na ito mga may top international acts para sa lahat ng kapamilya.
Yes. Yes, syempre kanina nakita natin si Great David, napakagwapo. Ang gwapo, sir. Kapit na talaga ako ng mga 10 times.
Magaling siya. Binigay ko sa kasi. Pero sino yung international superstars bukod sa akin. And dito ako sigatan dahil Mr. Brock. Whoa! John Jeffrey.
And girls, get ready. Great this summer. Mga kapamilya. Iyan ako namin ang buong barangay. Ay, kulang sa energy. Yeah. And also my flowers there. Para pati viewers sila eh. Ano ba matapos mo? Hello, yes. Yes. I'm swimming. That's right. But to let everyone know, this is choreographed by the great Miss Maribel at Miss Sarah. Talagang great. Kita nyo naman. Ayan. Offer. Try na kayo ka naman. Ayan. Try na kayo sa buhay. Hindi ko yung project lang. Pinakabagong dance race this summer. Kasi kaya matatapos kumalaw sa Tagaraw. Nasunog talaga sa Bunga. Masyado ka galaw sa Tagaraw. Kasama ang G-Boy and the Boy Politic Kids. Galaw